Fire in the hole, let's cook a burger. Stay tuned. Bacon roasting on an open fire. Hey, welcome once again to my backyard. Let's cook up some bacon for our heavy metal burger. And while the griddle's coming up to temperature and the bacon's cooking, let's make the heavy metal sauce for our heavy metal burger. Stay tuned. So as I was saying, while the bacon's cooking, we're going to make a heavy metal sauce for our heavy metal burger. I'm going to say that a lot today, heavy metal burger. Anyway, need about a tablespoon of mayonnaise in our bowl. And then we need some spicy brown mustard. About the same amount of spicy brown mustard. That's some good stuff, right? Then we've got some of this. This is hard to find, but good stuff. Wickles Spicy Red Sandwich Spread is basically a pepper relish. Really good stuff. It's hot and spicy. We need about, let's call it 3 teaspoons of the Wickles. And then for the kicker, the best hot sauce on the planet, Tiger sauce. I'm gonna put this in to taste. But you know, you put as much as you want. I like a good bit of it. It's a sweet heat sauce, so you don't have to worry too much about it. But we're going to mix that up, and that's going to be the sauce for our burger. And I'm going to put this in the fridge, just making my mouth water just thinking about it. Anyway, I'm going to stick this in the fridge and let that set up a little bit while we get our burgers out here. And we're going to make smashed burgers, actually, smashed cheeseburgers. A double smashed cheeseburger for our heavy metal burger with some pulled pork on top. So let me get my sauce mixed up. Oh, that looks good already, doesn't it? Yeah, let me get that mixed up, get it in the fridge, and we'll get out here and get after some burgers. Stay tuned. I got a couple of balls of chopped meat in my bowl. I'm going to add some root boy rub to that. If you would like to try some root boy rub, be a subscriber and leave a comment on this video, and I will give someone, one subscriber, some of my root boy rub. We're just going to get these seasoned up, make them back into balls. We're going to make smash burgers on the griddle. As soon as the griddle gets hot and our smash burgers get ready, you need to make them into a kind of a ball shape like that. There you go. There's one and there's two. 2 seasoned balls of meat that we're going to smash on the griddle. My bacon's coming up to temp. We're getting ready to smash some burgers. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm ready to smash some burgers. Let's get number 1 over here. Get him on there. Put a piece of parchment paper over him. And smash him down flat. Press him down. Nice and thin. That's number 1. How's that look? Patty number 1. Okay. Let's let him cook up a little bit. Then we'll smash down patty number 2. Time to smash number 2. Get him on there. Get him smashed down. Nothing better than smash burgers in my opinion. That's the only way I like to cook burgers anymore. Okay, yeah, looking good. Okay, let's get my patties cooked up. I'm going to throw some pepper jack cheese on there. And then we'll put this, I got some pulled pork, leftover pulled pork that I'm going to warm up. I'm going to throw a couple of slices of pepper jack on there, if I can get it off the container. Let's throw one over here. Yeah, just got to peel this pepper jack cheese off of there. Peel it off in one piece without breaking it. Alright, pepper jack cheese on one burger. Now we'll flip the other one, get some pepper jack cheese on it, and we're going to build this heavy metal hamburger. And then we'll drink a heavy metal beer. So stay tuned. Okay, let's build this awesome burger. We put a little bit of our sauce on the bottom bun. This is the heavy metal sauce. Awesome sauce, let me tell you what. Then we get some bacon on there. Why not? Bacon. Bacon makes everything better, doesn't it? Get some slices of bacon rocking on the bottom of our bun. Then we'll get, I think, one of our patties with the pepper jack cheese on there. Then I'll take a little bit of that sauce on top of that. Another patty with some pepper jack cheese on that. A little bit more of that sauce, right? And then I've got some pulled pork, leftover pulled pork. I'm gonna put on top of that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh yeah. A little bit more, a little bit more. And some more of that sauce on there. That heavy metal sauce. Heavy metal for my buddy Ken, the heavy metal barbecue, because Ken contributed the beer for today's cook. Now we got some pickled onions I want to throw on there. Some of these pickled onions that I made. There's one. There's another one. These really go good on that pulled pork. I love these pickled onions on there. Pickled onions. So we got it. That's it. That's it. I hate to put the top on it, but there it is. The heavy metal hamburger. Let's let me see if I can get a shot of that. Whoa. How about that? Let me get a beer and we'll try and get this in my mouth. Stay tuned. Here's the Frosty Root Boy mug, and here's today's beer all the way from Pennsylvania. My buddy Ken sent me this. Black Metal. This is from the Helltown Brewing Company in Pennsylvania. That's where Ken lives. And he sent me 3 beers. We've already had the first 2. This will be number 3, Ken. I can't wait to try this. This is a what? Black Metal is an IPA, I think. Ken doesn't like IPAs. He'd rather drink Natty Light. What do you think about that, Rob? You rather have a Natty Light, or you rather have this awesome Black Metal IPA? I think I'd rather have this. Crack open this can of Black Metal IPA, our seasonal collab with Pittsburgh musician Brian Nash. I don't know him. Started out as a one-time Fresh Fest. Sip, share, repeat. I could do that. Let's take a sniff first. Ah, yeah, that smells great. Ken, I don't know how you can't like this beer, man. Rob, this is an awesome IPA. I can't wait to quaff the froth off it. Stay tuned. Ah, that's excellent. Ah, what an awesome beer to go with my awesome burger. I can't wait to try to eat this burger with the pulled pork and the bacon on it. Look at that. You're gonna tell me you don't want a bite of that? Are you kidding me? Mmm. 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 Ah. Mmm. That's a, excuse me. That's a 5-napkin burger right there. Let me tell you what. Hey, that's my video, babies. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see my buddy Ken in the iCard Heavy Metal Barbecue, who sent me this heavy metal beer and inspired this heavy metal burger. Okay? That's my video. We'll see you next week, okay? Bye.